All we need is love.
The Underground is about family. Even for an out-of-towner like me that came all the way from Fort Worth, Texas to Omaha, Nebraska, the people here just made me feel so loved and so welcomed. It was like I made a whole other family, and I didn't feel out of place or anything. They were so loving, and they made me feel like I was right at home.
The Underground is about developing godly characteristics and habits in your life to eventually be able to reach the place that God wants you to go while we're on this earth.
Restore the broken and disabled.
The Underground is about leadership. It's about bringing up leaders around you and moving as one unit for the cause of Christ.
I know only love.
The Underground is about discipleship. Discipleship is basically letting people help you work through your dirt while not condemning you or judging you at all, but just loving you through it all.
The Underground is a race. You run until you can't run anymore, and then you push on through, you press on to win the goal.
The UDP is all about learning, whether it be from the staff here in Omaha, Nebraska, or it be from world-renowned speakers from all over. Speakers like Jeremy Johnson, Jurgen Matthesius, Phil Valdez, Sean Loach from Worth Dying For, and many more.
The Underground is hard. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1 says, "To learn you must love discipline. It is stupid to hate correction." In the Underground, we are constantly being discipled, constantly being worked on and poured into. Sometimes we might not always like what we get to hear, but it's not what we want to hear, it's what we need to hear. It talks about in the Bible how the Maker takes these metals and he continually melts out the impurities until the metal is so pure, so fine, that the Creator can see his reflection in the metal. And that's what the Underground does for us.
The Underground is about ministry. If you're a Christian, you're called to be in ministry, whether it's you want to be in full-time ministry as a pastor, or you're just serving in the church in whatever area God has you in. But a part of what I've been doing this year as an intern is running a ministry called Project Love Omaha. And what we do is we help people in need, plain and simple. People that need help, people that don't know Jesus, that have no way of escape from problems that they're dealing with, whether it's financially, physically, whatever the problem may be. We have a chance to go in and intervene on their behalf, but showing God's love as we do it.
All we need is love.
The Underground is about depth. See, it teaches you how to go deeper in your relationship with God, and it also teaches you basic Bible principles, just how to keep growing in your relationship with Christ. And you see, the Underground also, it'll teach you how to stir up those hidden talents that God has given in you since you were born. That I can do all these things because, greater is He that is in me than he is that is in the world.
In the night like Daniel's song, I know only love is able. I know only love is able. I know only love is able.
The Underground is a training. It was a training for me. It was a training in general for anybody and everybody. For me, it was more of a training. It's like a boot camp for my spiritual self or for my inner self. It won't be a training anymore. It'll be a lifestyle. It won't be doing worship, but your whole life is about worshiping. It's about praising, and that's what it trained me in. It's intense, and it made me grow like crazy. It's not about who you are, but it's where your heart is and where your mind is focused and what you're focused on, and that's what it is to me.
No, only love is able. It's all we need is holy.
The Underground is about change. It's about changing the way you think about yourself. Those thoughts of insecurity that you've had since high school. The thoughts that you're not good enough. It's about realizing how our awesome God has a great plan for you in your life. For me, the Underground has taught me that I can change. I can be a leader, and I can be a world changer.
The Underground is about responsibility. Taking responsibility of other people's actions and your actions. Becoming a leader.
All we need is love.